Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the GeneralAire 1137 fan-powered humidifier. So one of the questions that we get from people each year is, hey, I can't get my humidifier to run. So we're going to talk about the peculiarities of this particular model. So right now, it's plugged in. So the first thing you want to do is unplug it, plug something else into that exact same outlet, something like a lamp. And basically what you're trying to do is verify that there's power to that outlet. So we've gone ahead and done that, and we do have power here to the outlet. So we know the outlet is good. So we're going to unplug the lamp and plug the humidifier back in. Okay, now that our humidifier is plugged back in, we're going to take the next step. The humidifier is still not running. It's plugged in, we verify there's power there, we have the furnace running, we have the humidistat set up as high as possible, and nothing is happening. So the next step is to just bypass the humidistat right here. So we're going to take these two little yellow wires coming out of the humidifier, and we're going to short them out to each other. Okay, perfect. The humidifier came on. So you can see the little fan in here is running, and shortly there'll be water trickling down the drain here. So the problem is not with the humidifier, it's upstream. So either the wires going to these two little yellow wires here, this thermostat wire, this brown wire, either there's a problem with it on the way to the humidifier, the humidistat, or the humidistat itself is faulty, or there is some other item in the wiring circuit that is bad. So if you jumper it out here and the humidifier comes on, the problem is uphill. The first place I would go is the humidistat. I would go to the humidistat, find these two wires here. In this case, it's a red wire and a white wire. Find them on that humidistat, and it should be, if you have a mechanical style humidistat, there'll just be two screws on it, and you're going to want to just jumper that out. If you jumper it out and the humidifier comes on and runs, the problem is the humidistat. If that does not solve it, then there's some other problem in the wiring between here and the humidistat. Like I said, there's a possibility that you may have some other sensor or relay or something in the circuit that is faulty. But the problem is not with the humidifier. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.